Typhoon Khanun has passed through Russia over the Primoria region. The Emergencies Ministry in Moscow said that the Russian authorities sent a task force to oversee the cleanup of parts of the country's far east on Sunday after Typhoon Khanun wreaked havoc. On Sunday, the Russian Emergency Situations Ministry said that over 2,000 people, including 405 children, have been evacuated from flooded areas of the Primoria region in Russia's far east. Russia's TSS news agency quoted the ministry as saying that the number of flooded homes stood at 4,368, while 5,654 adjoining plots and 7 apartment buildings also were flooded. It said that 28 settlements remained cut off. On Friday, local officials said that the downpours had already caused floods in 7 districts and killed at least 3 people, a woman and 2 children of 10 years and 12 years old. The Emergencies Ministry said that most of the affected homes were in the cities of Ussurisk and Spassk-Dalny and in the Oktyabrski municipal district in the region of Primoria, where the port of Vladivostok is the administrative center. The ministry said in its Telegram channel that the task force would coordinate the work to eliminate the consequences of the flood. It said that its aircraft delivered humanitarian aid and Mi-8 helicopters helped transfer rescuers to the site. It added that there were no reports of casualties and that it had avoided more serious damage by sending units in early. TASS said that the flood in Ussurisk, the second largest city in Primoria, was the worst and biggest in a decade and that it had affected between 35 and 40% of its territory. Heavy downpours flooded villages in the region in the aftermath of Typhoon Khanun, which battered Japan earlier this week before making its way toward the Korean peninsula. According to Russian state media, the remnants of the storm, now downgraded from typhoon status, was slated to bring double the monthly rainfall to some areas of the region over the weekend.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.